Sometimes you need to have more than one thing up on your screen in Scrivener 3 for Windows. That's quite easy to do and can be achieved in a number of ways. Today we're looking at the split screen function. Above your editor you'll see a small box icon with either a vertical or horizontal line through the middle. This is the split screen function. If you click on it, it'll split your editor into two, depending on which way the middle line is displayed. If you want to change the orientation from vertical to horizontal, or vice versa, hold down Alt before you click and the icon will change. The split you require will probably depend on what you're doing. I use both. This is a toggle on/off feature, so you click it again to get rid of this display. But make sure you're first clicked into the part of the editor you want to still be displayed. So the point of this is that you can have more than one document up on the screen at the same time. That could be two parts of your manuscript, or your manuscript and some research, say. To get the other document up, just click into the relevant section of the editor and then onto the document you wish to display. This, of course, works with multiple highlighted documents and folders too, but you may have to flip the view back to Scrivening's view using the page icon on the toolbar. In a multi-selection, you can use the List option in the title bar to move quickly between items. Next time we'll be looking at locking things in place and why you might want to do this.